Alright, you're welcome to this section. In this section, we'll be looking at some Wamp server errors and how to fix them. I could recall that when I was teaching on how to download and install the Wamp server in our PC, I stated that it's very important that we download and install the right Wamp server for our system specification. But over time, we have learned that even after downloading and installing the right Wamp server for our system specifications, there could still be some errors that could occur while trying to run the Wamp server, right? Some of these errors are msvcr.dll, msvcr.dll, and the likes, right? So when you try running your Wamp server, you're going to get the message that says the program can't start because msvcp100.dll or msvcr110.dll or msvcr100.dll, depending on the Wamp server error you have, that the program can't start because this file is missing from your computer. Try reinstalling the program to fix this problem. All right, so right here what I really need is the DLL file. So let's see that. Let's go to our browser to check for that. All right, so we'll type in google.com here. All right, so let's search for what is the meaning of msvcp. Let's select one of the error here. So Google says here that msvc, the 140.dll file, is part of the Visual C++ redistributable for Visual Studio 2015 package. You don't need to know this, but the package provides the components Windows needs to run the C++ applications. It's such an essential package that it gets installed automatically when you install Windows, right? So this is giving us an insight of where the error actually comes from. The error do not arise as a result of you installing the wrong Wamp server in your PC. The error actually occurs as a result of installing Windows operating system from untrusted vendors, right? So how do we fix some of these Wamp server errors? It's very simple. You come to your Google, in the search bar here, you type in your error message. So let's call this msvc. You can see before you finish typing that, you're going to see related search result. That's to tell you that the error is common and they are fixed for the error. So right here, I'm going to select msvcr120.dll, assuming this is the error you are facing. So I'm going to click on that. All right, so you can see here we are having dllfiles.com. You select the first one here, right? And you scroll down. When you scroll down, you select the folder that carries what you want to download. You can see this is 0.5 megabyte. I click on download. Now the download is going to be automated. All right, now after downloading, you go back to your downloads. All right, so I go to my download here, then I'm going to grab what I've just downloaded. I'll Control C to copy that. All right, now after copying that, I'll locate a folder in my desktop called the web project. So right here, you're going to paste the file that you just copied. So let's paste that here. Now you can see that the file is a zip file. Do not just copy this file to paste that way I'm going to show you. It's going to crash your PC if you do that. The first thing you have to do is to extract the file using the WinRAR we installed. Alright, so we're going to right click here and we're going to click on extract here. Alright, and it's going to extract two files for us, the main file and the readme file. We don't need the readme file. This is the file we need. Alright, so we're going to click on this file and we're going to right click here and we'll click on copy to copy this particular file. Take note, we're not copying the zip file. All right, if you copy the zip file, it's going to crash your PC. All right, so after copying that, you click on this PC, click on your local disk, then right here you are going to locate the folder called Windows. You open the Windows folder. All right, then right here, this is where you're going to paste the file you just copied. So you're going to right click here and you click on paste, but I'm not going to paste this because I have all the .dll files with my Windows operating system. All right, so you can see here I have msvcp140_1.dll and other .dll files. So if you are having this issue while trying to run your Wamp server, this is how you can fix that. Right, after pasting that, you are going to right click again to refresh. You click on refresh, then you come down here and you restart or you run your Wamp server. Right, so after that your Wamp server should run correctly. All right, so basically this is how you can fix your Wamp server errors. All right, see you at the next section.